So it's hard to ask questions.
I have a question because recently I'm very interested about the exosome.
Yes.
Exosome.
Yeah.
What do you think of the exosome? Because
It basically protects it, so it comes inside. I think it's a great idea. I don't know how much it works. I think a lot of it could be lost, but it's a very, very interesting idea. It's much more interesting than anything else.
do you believe the microRNA go into the cell? I mean, from even in the food or even in the meat or rice. Of course, there are so many microRNA.
They will
food.
affect. Yes, they will affect.
And
of
then
course.
at least I know that that microRNA go into bread. At
That's
least
right.
I understand.
That's
but
right.
finally, I don't understand